So you've got yourself an Xbox Series S or X and you're wondering how to change the resolution to match your TV. Let's go ahead and show you how in the settings. All right, so here we are on my Xbox desktop, and the first thing we need to do is get into our settings here on the Xbox. So with your controller, navigate to the top, and you're gonna go over to the little gear or sprocket here where it says settings. You can go ahead and hit the A button on your controller. Now, if you don't have settings up there at the top, just go ahead and tap your Xbox button on your controller. It's gonna open up more options here for you. We're just gonna push over to the right until you see your little icon there. Mine happens to be a yellow Xbox icon. And from there we can scroll down until we get to settings here. And again, just hit the A button on your controller. From there, that's gonna open up the settings on your system. And we can go up and down here on the left-hand side and make sure you head over to General. When you get to General, just push right on your controller. And we're looking for the TV and display options. You can go ahead and hit A on the TV and display options. And this will load up our resolution area. Now, before we select our resolution, I want you to go to the center here where it says Setup and select 4K TV details. And this will show you if your monitor or TV can handle 4K. Now, I'm currently plugged into a 1080p monitor at 60 Hertz. My main TV over there is 4K 60 Hertz. And when it's plugged into that, there'll be a little check mark next to the top option there rather than a red circle with a line. So you want to check this out to see if your monitor or TV can handle 4K. Now from there, we'll just hit B to go back out. If your monitor or TV can handle 4K, we'll just go ahead and select here where it says resolution on the left-hand side. You can go ahead and select 4K. And once you've done that, just hit the A button and it might prompt you to confirm that that is what you want to do. For myself, I don't have 4K with these monitors, so I'm just going to select the 1080p option. And if you don't have that, if you have a 720p monitor, you can select that as well. So it'll give you the options there that are available. And once you've done that, you've selected your resolution for your Xbox. It's really that simple to do.